Hello coders and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nisha Naveed and I have started mini project series for all the beginners. So in today's video I will teach you how to make a login form and accessing another HTML file through this login form. So it is a very basic project. This project is for the absolute beginners. This is the project overview. First of all, we will write the wrong information here. So let's see what happens. When you write wrong information here and when you click on the submit, a pop-up will be appear which says login failed, please try again. Refresh it. Now we will write the right information and write password. Then click the submit. Another HTML page will be open. So this is our project overview. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will make a folder name mini.js mini project. Enter it and then click here. Let's make a file named index.html, another file named style.css, and the third file named access.html. First of all, in index.html, I will click shift plus exclamation mark, then we will omit the abbreviation. So first of all, I am making h1 tag and here I am writing login page. Then save it and right click, go to the open with live server and it will appear like this. Now I want to place all the things in the center, so that's why I am using the center tag, and inside this center tag I am putting all the stuff. So let's put it inside the center tag like this. Now it will appear in the center. Go back to the HTML file. Here inside the center tag I am writing the break tag, 2 break tags, so that we can have some space. After this I will make a div tag like this. Inside this div tag I am writing username like this and br. Next I am writing here the input tag, type text and place holder, enter your password, enter username. Also I am giving it an ID of username. Save it and let's see in the Chrome. It will appear like this. Now I am putting some br tag, 2 br tags, so it may have some space. I am copying this and will paste it here. Here I am replacing it into password and ID password. Let's see the result. It will appear like this. Now we will give some styling to this div tag. So let's go to the style.css. Now I am writing the boilerplate code. Now to link the CSS with the HTML, we will write just above the head tag, that is link, and in href we will write style.css. So now our style.css is attached with the index.html. Now just go back to the style.css and let's style for the div tag. So select the div tag, give it some width. I am giving it the width of 400 pixels. Then give it a height also. I am giving it the height of 400 pixels. Then I am giving it a border which is 1 pixel solid red, like this. Now let's see the changes. And padding of 120 pixels. So let's just see here. Inside this tag I will make a button named submit button. Now I will style this button in the style.css. So first of all select the button tag like this. I am giving it padding of 20 pixels from top and bottom and 30 pixels from left and right, like this. It will appear like this. It's looking pretty good. Our main focus is on the JavaScript, so I am not focusing on the CSS or any kind of styling. Now we will design the access.html page. So here press shift 1, then exclamation sign will come, and then amid this abbreviation I am naming it as authorized page. Here we will write some text, so I am writing it authorized user accessing page. You can write anything here. Here we are focusing only on the logic, so I am writing here a paragraph tag and I am writing lorem 100. So it will generate 100 random words like this. So just save it and right click and click on the open with live server. It will appear like this. So we are not focusing on this styling. Now let's move towards the JavaScript. So inside the index.html, just above the closing of body tag, we will write script tag, and inside this script tag we will write our JavaScript. So first of all we will select the username and password inputs. I will write let username equals to document dot query selector hashtag. So just copy the ID from the input tag like this and put it inside this dot value. Then we will select password equals to document dot query selector hashtag, and ID here is the password, so just copy this ID here and paste it here. Dot value. After selecting this, we will write a function. I am writing it name login. You can give the name according to your own choice. Then inside this function I will put this inside the function, so cut it from here and put it inside the function. After this I will write the if else statement. So if, we will write the condition that if username double equals to, so here we will write the correct username, so which is, I am writing it here my name Nisha, and password equals to double equals to 123 what will happen? It means if both of these conditions are true, which means the username is Nisha and the password is 123, then this condition will run, which is location dot assign here we will write the location of the access HTML page, which is the copy this address and paste it inside this. Now we will write the else condition. If password is not correct or the username is not correct, then the else statement will run, which will display a message named please try again. So now we will add a on click event in this button. So I will write on click, and here I will write the function which is login function. So when you click on the submit button, so another page will be open like this. When you click on the submit button, the login function will be called and it will be executed. So what is the login function? Login function is which is to assign the location of another web page. So what's the login function? In login function we have written the code. When the user put the right information, which is the username named Nisha and password 123, then the another HTML page will be appear and the user can access that HTML page. On the other hand, if the username or the password is wrong, then the alert will be generated, which is login failed, please try again. So that's all. Now we will first of all we will write the correct information, password 123. We will, when we click on the submit button, another HTML page will be opened. So it's 100% working. So that's all. If you have find this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel